Have you ever wondered how the calm, serene nature can suddenly turn into a raging force causing havoc and destruction? It's a question that underscores the unpredictability of our natural world, a world that can be as nurturing as it is destructive. This duality is nowhere more evident than in the occurrence of natural disasters. These cataclysmic events, often triggered by the subtlest shifts in our environment, have the power to transform landscapes, decimate communities, and forever alter the course of human lives. From the silent, sudden fury of earthquakes, to the slow, incendiary wrath of volcanoes, from the overwhelming onslaught of tsunamis to the relentless rage of hurricanes, the magnitude of their impact is a testament to the immense power of nature. And while we've made significant strides in predicting and mitigating these disasters, they remain largely unpredictable, reminding us of our vulnerability in the face of nature's might. In the next few minutes, we will delve deeper into the world of natural disasters, exploring their types and chronology. Imagine the ground beneath you shaking uncontrollably, buildings collapsing, panic ensues. This is the reality of an earthquake. Earthquakes, in essence, are the Earth's natural means of releasing stress. When the Earth's plates move against each other in an area where they are usually stuck, stress builds up. Eventually, the plates slip, causing the earthquake. It's like snapping your fingers. Your fingers pushing together are the tectonic plates, and the snap is the earthquake. The destruction caused by earthquakes can be colossal. They can lead to the loss of countless lives and cause immense damage to infrastructure. Buildings, bridges, roads, and even entire cities can be reduced to rubble in a matter of seconds. Earthquakes can also trigger landslides and tsunamis, leading to additional devastation. Throughout history, there have been several devastating earthquakes. The Great Chilean Earthquake that occurred in 1960, for example, is considered the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. It reached an astounding 9.5 on the Richter scale and triggered a series of tsunamis that affected coastal areas as far away as Hawaii and Japan. Then we have the catastrophic Great San Francisco Earthquake of 1906. It was a stark reminder of the potential havoc that seismic activity can wreak. This earthquake and the resulting fires nearly destroyed the city of San Francisco, leaving over 3,000 people dead and hundreds of thousands homeless. Closer in time, the 2010 earthquake in Haiti, a country ill-prepared to handle such a disaster, resulted in an estimated 230,000 deaths, making it one of the deadliest earthquakes in history. But it's not all doom and gloom. Advancements in technology and engineering have led to the development of earthquake-resistant buildings and improved warning systems. These efforts aim to minimize the loss of life and damage to property during these terrifying events. Earthquakes are indeed a terrifying phenomenon, but they are just one of the many faces of natural disasters. Picture a mountain, peacefully standing, suddenly spewing molten lava and ash, turning the day into night. This is the fury of a volcano. Volcanoes, those majestic peaks that adorn our landscapes, are not just natural monuments of beauty. They are also the fiery furnaces of our planet, spewing out the Earth's inner heat in a spectacular and often destructive display. Volcanoes are the result of tectonic movements beneath the Earth's crust. When these plates collide, the immense pressure and heat cause the rock to melt, forming magma. When the pressure of this magma becomes too great, it seeks an escape route, often resulting in a volcanic eruption. The destructive power of a volcano is not to be underestimated. They can change landscapes, alter climates, and obliterate entire cities. The molten lava can reach temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, incinerating everything in its path. The ash clouds can darken skies and cause respiratory problems for humans and animals alike. Moreover, these eruptions can trigger tsunamis and landslides, leading to further devastation. History is filled with examples of catastrophic volcanic eruptions. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, for instance, buried the ancient Roman city of Pompeii under a thick layer of ash, preserving it in time. Or consider the eruption of Krakatoa in Indonesia in 1883, the sound of which was heard as far away as Australia, and caused global temperatures to fall for the next 5 years. Then there is the eruption of Mount Tambora, also in Indonesia in 1815, which led to the year without a summer in Europe and North America, causing widespread crop failures and famine. And let's not forget the more recent eruption of Mount St. Helens in the United States in 1980, which flattened hundreds of square miles of forest and killed 57 people. Volcanoes, like earthquakes, are a testament to the unpredictable and destructive power of nature. These geological phenomena remind us of our planet's dynamic nature and our vulnerability in the face of its fury. Imagine a wall of water towering over you, rushing towards the shore with an unfathomable speed. This is the terror of a tsunami. Tsunamis, these colossal waves, are not born out of whim or caprice. Their inception lies in the bowels of the earth, where tectonic plates, the colossal pieces of Earth's crust, jostle and grind. When these plates abruptly shift, they displace enormous volumes of water, giving birth to the terrifying phenomenon we know as a tsunami. The true terror of a tsunami is not just in its size, but in its speed. These waves can race across the ocean at the speed of a jet plane, giving coastal regions little time to prepare or evacuate. And when they hit hard. Unlike regular waves that lose power as they roll onto the shore, tsunamis surge inland, carrying with them the destructive power of the ocean. Perhaps the most notorious tsunami in modern history is the Indian Ocean tsunami of 2004. Triggered by a massive undersea earthquake off the coast of Sumatra, this tsunami claimed the lives of more than 200,000 people across 14 countries, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. Another infamous tsunami is the Great East Japan Earthquake and Tsunami of 2011. The tsunami waves, triggered by a 9.0 magnitude earthquake, reached heights of up to 40 meters, causing widespread devastation and triggering the Fukushima nuclear disaster. These historical events serve as stark reminders of the destructive potential of tsunamis. But they also underscore the importance of global efforts in tsunami detection and early warning systems and coastal community preparedness. With these measures in place, we stand a fighting chance against the terror of tsunamis. Tsunamis, with their immense power, remind us of the sheer force that nature can unleash. Picture the sky turning dark, the wind howling, rain pouring down like never before. This is the havoc of a hurricane. But what exactly is a hurricane? It's an intense, rotating oceanic weather system that possesses winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. It forms over warm ocean waters, generally in the summer and fall months. Hurricanes are fueled by a combination of two key ingredients, heat and moisture. As warm air over the ocean rises, it's replaced by cooler air. This cooler air will then warm and start to rise. This cycle causes huge storm clouds to form. These storm clouds will begin to rotate with the spin of the Earth, creating an organized system known as a tropical storm. If the tropical storm continues to intensify and reaches wind speeds of 74 miles per hour, it is then classified as a hurricane. The destruction caused by hurricanes can be catastrophic. They can cause severe flooding, landslides, and even spawn tornadoes. The high winds can decimate buildings, homes, and infrastructure. The storm surge, a large wave caused by the hurricane's winds, can inundate coastal areas, eroding beaches and causing severe damage. Some of the most devastating hurricanes in history include Hurricane Katrina, which struck the United States in 2005, causing widespread flooding and resulting in over 1,000 deaths. Or Hurricane Mitch, that in 1998 ravaged Central America, causing widespread destruction and killing an estimated 11,000 people. These storms serve as a stark reminder of the power of nature. Their sheer size and potential for destruction can be humbling, reminding us of our vulnerability. Despite advances in technology and forecasting, hurricanes continue to be a significant threat to coastal communities around the world. Hurricanes, like all other natural disasters, show us just how small we are in the face of nature's wrath. From earthquakes to hurricanes, we've seen the immense power and destruction that natural disasters can cause. These forces, while terrifying in their might, are a testament to the raw, untamed power of our planet. Earthquakes shake the very ground we stand on, reminding us of the tectonic forces at work beneath our feet. Volcanoes, in their explosive fury, spew molten rock and ash, reshaping the landscape in a matter of moments. Tsunamis, born of seismic activities, surge across the ocean, causing devastation on coastlines far from their origin. And hurricanes, colossal storms of wind and rain, wreak havoc on vast scales, altering lives and landscapes in their path. However, amidst this fury, there is a call to action, a call for preparedness, resilience, and respect for these natural phenomena. We have the knowledge and the tools to mitigate some of the damage these disasters can cause. Natural disasters are indeed a terrifying reality, but understanding them is the first step in preparing for their unpredictability.